Hello everyone, this is Pawan Kumar from Learn Digital Academy. Today we will discuss about topic called a scale tool. First guys, you want to go to the file menu and select a new document. When I want to select a new document, just I want to create a click button. When I want to select create a click button, that time my new document window is open here. When my new document window is open, that time guys you want to come to the toolbar. In the toolbar you want to select the scale tool. The scale tool shortcut key is there S guys. After that when you want to select the scale tool and click this arrow, that time my scale tool all option it is coming outside of the toolbar. Now guys, first what we can do guys, you come to the toolbar. In the toolbar you want to select the rectangular tool and you can draw the rectangular shape. When I want to draw the rectangular shape, that time you want to fill any one color. When you want to fill the color, that time you want to select the scale tool. When you want to select the scale tool, here one point it is showing. Select that point and you can drag them any one side. After that guys, you want to go to any one corner and you want to drag left hand side or right hand side. When you want to drag the left hand side, that time my width is increasing. You want to drag right to left, that time my object size is decreasing. You want to drag on down, that time my object size is increasing. We can drag top, that time my object size is decreasing. Like that type you want to use this option guys, that is called a scale tool. The next option is there guys, shear. Shear means you want to rotate on 45 degrees angle. That time you want to select the shear tool and you want to go to any one corner and you can drag it like that. That time my object it is rotate on 45 degrees angle like that. Like that type you want to use this option guys, that is called a shear tool. Next, what is the next option? It is the reshape. When you want to use the reshape means you want to select line segment tool and you want to press shift button and you want to draw the one line. After that guys you want to increase the stroke size. Then guys you want to come to the reshape tool. When you want to select the reshape means this is the straight line. You want to select and you can bend like that. Means any 2 points it is there, the 2 points you want to little bit curve shape you want to do it, means that time we use this reshape tool. Like this type you want to use the scale, shear and reshaper tool. Hope the session was informative. We'll catch you up next session.